Hello to all you lovely people and welcome to It's Bageshri's Colourbox. Once again, I am here with beautiful, cute, colorful DIYs that cost nothing. I pulled out these containers and I was about to throw them, but then I just wanted to check if I can create something from them and have fun. I cleaned them all and removed all the labelings. For the first and second DIY, I am removing the lids because I won't be using them. I begin with applying the base coat using the dabber and have kept them for drying. Next, I am tracing this oval shape on both of these bottles. So I am filling this oval shape with some pink and another one with the blue shade. On this, I am adding some simple calligraphic quotes on both the bottles. I needed a border, so I'm using this hot glue gun here and I'm not making a specific design, it's just the random texture that I can get from the gun. Since I didn't want the grooves on this nozzle, so I'm covering this jute lace on the top of this. And then I added this bow using jute rope. I've used white glue to stick these bows. I will use this metallic pink and blue shade to color the glue border that I've created. I'll make some polka dots here but with the alternate shades. And with this, these are ready. For the third DIY, I have again removed the cap and also I don't want the nozzle, so I'm cutting this. This was done with the hot knife. I'm giving it a base coat and I have chosen a lighter shade for this. And to decorate this, I will be using this air dry clay. I've made some shapes from this and accordingly I'll place them on this bottle. I've already applied white glue so that I can stick them all one by one. Removing the excess length with the help of a cutter. I'm sure by now you could have guessed what exactly this design relates to. After the clay was completely dry, this was the time to give the color to the designs. I'm trying to follow the rainbow shades. To give it a complete look, I'm tying a paper rope at the neck of this container so that it is done. Coming to the fourth and the last and the easiest DIY, cutting down the extras as well. I request you to ignore the background sound if you can hear them. To decorate this printed container, I will be using this brown paper sheet that we get in our packing, and I've cut down the strips from them and crumbled them a little and gave them a nice twist together. Now this was ready to be rolled around the container. I've used white glue to stick this. And since I have not given any base coat to this container, I am making sure that the rolled strips can be stuck very closely so that the background is not visible. While I do this, I'm just sharing why I have chosen all these containers, because I thought the shape was really good and there was a scope of beautifying them, so why not try it? Friends, this is a new channel, and if you have reached till here, I'm sure you are enjoying this, and I just want to request you that your subscription on my channel is really encouraging for me to make new DIY items all from the waste with low cost. And if you are enjoying, why not hit the like button as well? I'm using this jute rope to fill up the edge of the lid. This was just a simple packing paper, so I decided why not just dab it with some golden shade. At the end, I'm sticking this wooden beads which can act as a leg of this container. And I'm so eager to share you the display of these items, but do not forget to hit that like button.